Are you looking for a laptop that offers more than just basic functionality? Today, we're diving deep into the ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series. This lineup is turning heads, and for good reason. ASUS has always been known for sleek design and impressive performance. With the ZenBook 14 OLED series, they've really upped their game. These laptops are all about stunning visuals, powerful performance, and incredible portability. We're talking about laptops that can handle everything from demanding creative tasks to everyday productivity, all while slipping easily into your bag. I've been putting these machines through their paces, and I'm excited to break down what makes each one special. From the versatile ZenBook 14 OLED UX 3402 to the powerhouse ZenBook 14 OLED UX 5401, there's a model for every kind of user. Whether you're a content creator, a business professional, or someone who just wants the best possible experience for everyday computing, ASUS has got you covered. So buckle up as we explore the ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series. Get ready to experience the future of ultra-portable computing. Let's jump right in. Let's be real, the first thing you'll notice about the ZenBook 14 OLED series is the display. And guys, these OLED screens are absolutely gorgeous. We're talking about vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast. Trust me, once you've experienced an OLED screen, it's hard to go back. These displays aren't just about good looks though. They're also incredibly sharp, with resolutions up to 4K. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, everything looks incredibly crisp and detailed. And for all you creative professionals out there, these displays offer factory-calibrated color accuracy. That means you can trust the colors you're seeing on screen are true to life. But wait, there's more. These OLED panels are also incredibly responsive with super fast refresh rates. That means smoother scrolling, less motion blur, and an overall more enjoyable viewing experience. And because OLED pixels emit their own light, you get true blacks and incredible contrast. This makes a huge difference, especially when you're watching movies or editing photos. Okay, we've covered the stunning displays, but what about the brains behind the beauty? Don't worry, ASUS hasn't skimped on performance. The ZenBook 14 OLED series is packed with the latest Intel processors. We're talking 13th gen Intel Core CPUs, folks. These processors deliver the speed and responsiveness you need to power through any task. Whether you're editing videos, running complex simulations, or just multitasking like a pro, these laptops can handle it. Plus, with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, you can even enjoy smooth, casual gaming on the go. But it's not just about raw power. ASUS has also optimized the thermals in these laptops to ensure they stay cool and quiet, even under heavy workloads. Nobody wants a laptop that sounds like a jet engine, right? And with long battery life, you can stay productive all day without needing to hunt for an outlet. The ZenBook 14 OLED series truly strikes a balance between power and portability. These laptops are designed for users who demand the best of both worlds. Now let's dive into the individual models, starting with the ZenBook 14 OLED UX 3402. This is the laptop for users who want it all, without breaking the bank. It's thin, light, and incredibly portable, making it perfect for students and professionals on the go. Don't let its size fool you though. This laptop packs a punch. It's powered by a 13th gen Intel Core processor and boasts a long-lasting battery. Whether you're writing papers, creating presentations, or just browsing the web, the UX 3402 can handle it all with ease. The UX 3402 comes equipped with a stunning 8K OLED display. You're still getting those vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast that OLED is known for. And with a comfortable keyboard and a smooth, responsive trackpad, this laptop is a joy to use. If you're looking for a stylish, capable, and affordable laptop with a gorgeous OLED display, the ZenBook 14 OLED UX 3402 is a fantastic option. Next up we have the ZenBook 14 OLED UX 5401. This laptop is designed for users who demand more power for demanding tasks. We're talking photographers, videographers, and graphic designers. It bumps up the specs with a more powerful processor and dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX 570 graphics. This means you can edit photos and videos faster, run demanding creative software smoothly, and even enjoy some light gaming. The UX 5401 doesn't compromise on portability either. It's still incredibly thin and light, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. And of course, we can't forget about that stunning 8K OLED display. It's perfect for creative professionals who need accurate colors and incredible detail. The UX 5401 also features a larger touchpad with an integrated ASUS dial pad. This virtual dial gives you precise control over your creative apps, streamlining your workflow. If you're a creative professional who needs a powerful and portable laptop with a color-accurate display, the ZenBook 14 OLED UX 5401 is the perfect choice for you. Now, let's talk about the ZenBook 14 Flip OLED Up 5401. This laptop takes versatility to a whole new level with its 360-degree hinge. You can use it as a traditional laptop, a tablet, or anything in between. This makes it perfect for students, artists, and anyone who loves to consume content on the go. The Flip OLED Up 5401 is no slouch in the performance department either. It's packing a powerful Intel processor, Iris Xe graphics, and long battery life. Whether you're taking notes in class, sketching your next masterpiece, or just binge-watching your favorite shows, this laptop can keep up. And just like its siblings, the Flip OLED Up 5401 boasts that gorgeous 2.8K OLED touchscreen display. The touch functionality is incredibly responsive, and the included ASUS pen lets you unleash your creativity. Take notes directly on slides, sketch out your ideas, or just doodle to your heart's content. For those who value versatility and crave a premium touchscreen experience, the ZenBook 14 Flip OLED Up 5401 is a true game-changer. It's the definition of flexibility without compromise. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the ZenBook 14 Flip OLED Up 5401 today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech updates. Finally, we have the ZenBook 14X OLED Space Edition. This laptop is truly in a league of its own. It's designed for users who demand the absolute best in performance and aesthetics. As the name suggests, it's inspired by the final frontier and features a unique design with a futuristic vibe. This limited edition laptop is a true powerhouse, packing a high-end Intel processor, dedicated NVIDIA graphics, and a stunning 4K OLED HDR display. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or just someone who appreciates the best of the best, the Space Edition delivers an unforgettable experience. But it's not just about raw power. ASUS has included some truly special touches with this laptop. It features a secondary display on the touchpad, which can be used for shortcuts, app controls, and even to display personalized messages. The ZenBook 14X OLED Space Edition is a testament to ASUS's commitment to innovation. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible in an ultra-portable laptop, delivering unparalleled performance and a truly unique user experience. A choice for every calling, matching your needs to the right ZenBook. So, with all these amazing options, how do you choose the right ZenBook 14 OLED for you? Well, it all comes down to your individual needs and priorities. Let's break it down. The ZenBook 14 OLED UX 3402 is the go-to choice for everyday users, students, and anyone who values portability and affordability. It's a fantastic all-rounder that won't let you down. The ZenBook 14 OLED UX 5401, this laptop is perfect for creative professionals and power users who need a little extra muscle for demanding tasks. The dedicated graphics and enhanced touchpad make all the difference. For those who value versatility above all else, the Flip OLED Up 5401 is the ultimate choice. The 360-degree hinge and touchscreen display open up a world of possibilities. And if you demand the absolute best and money is no object, the Space Edition is the ultimate statement piece. It's a limited edition laptop that offers unparalleled performance and a truly futuristic design. No matter which ZenBook 14 OLED you choose, you're getting a laptop that's beautifully designed, incredibly capable, and guaranteed to turn heads. Section 9. The competition, can they hold a candle to the OLED flame? Now you might be wondering, how does the ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series stack up against the competition? Well, let me tell you, ASUS has really set a high bar with these laptops. The combination of stunning OLED displays, powerful performance, and sleek designs is hard to beat. Sure, there are other great ultrabooks out there, but none of them can quite match the visual experience of an OLED display. The deep blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible contrast really do make a difference. And when you factor in the powerful performance, long battery life, and competitive pricing, the ZenBook 14 OLED series emerges as a clear winner. ASUS has also paid close attention to the little details. The keyboards are comfortable to type on, the trackpads are smooth and responsive, and the port selection is generous. These laptops are designed for real-world use, and it shows. Section 10. The final verdict: ASUS raises the bar for ultra-portables. So, there you have it, folks. The ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series is a home run. ASUS has knocked it out of the park with these laptops, delivering a winning combination of stunning visuals, powerful performance, and sleek design. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, there's a ZenBook 14 OLED for you. ASUS has truly raised the bar for ultra-portable laptops, proving that you don't have to compromise on performance or design to get a thin and light machine. The ZenBook 14 OLED series is a testament to ASUS's commitment to innovation and their dedication to creating laptops that meet the needs of modern users. If you're in the market for a new laptop, the ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series should be at the top of your list. It's an investment that you won't regret. Click the link in the description to get your ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Section 11. Beyond the Horizon. A glimpse into the future of ZenBook. The ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED series is a glimpse into the future of ultra-portable computing. It's a future where stunning visuals, powerful performance, and sleek design converge to create an unparalleled user experience. And I, for one, am incredibly excited to see what ASUS has in store for us next. Will we see even more powerful processors? Will the displays get even brighter and more color accurate? Will ASUS continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in an ultra-portable laptop? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the future of ZenBook is looking bright, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. This is MKBHD signing out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech reviews and comparisons.